Let's see our next Zeal awardee. Zeal awardee for excellence in promoting Filipino talent and voice artistry goes to Creative Voices by the Voice Master, Pocholo Gonzalez.
Voices, founded by Pocholo Gonzalez, is the leading Filipino voice acting and dubbing company, ranked 1 in the country. It professionalizes the voiceover industry by providing training, representation, and production services while showcasing Filipino talent in international projects. Its vision of innovation and cultural authenticity has elevated voice artistry as both profession and art form.
Great day, everyone! Yan. On behalf of Creative Voices Productions and Sir Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez, the Voice Master of the Philippines, we would like to accept this award and giving us the best and #1 voice acting and voice-over company in the Philippines. Ayan. Thank you so much. At marami po bang gustong maging dubber sa inyo dito? Ayan, ipinakikilala ko rin po ang aking kasama, ang Voice of Magic. Ayan, si Mac Florendo.
Ayan, great day everyone! Sabihin nyo sa katabi nyo, great day! Ayan, so unang-una palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili nyo kasi nandito kayo ngayon at palakpakan natin yung lahat ng mga awardees natin today. Alam nyo, kami yung pinaka hindi sikat sa mga awardees ngayon. Alam nyo bakit? Kasi voice actors, di ba? Voice artists. So yung mga boses namin, yung kilala. At syempre, pasalamat din sa ating voice master na si Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez. He is the man behind 1,000 voices. Siya po ang nagturo sa mga kilalang boses natin sa radyo, sa anime, even sa broadcasting. Kami po ni Donna ay mga naging estudyante po, mga voice mates ni Pocholo. So, alam ko may nagtatanong dyan kung gusto nilang marinig, no? Yung sample. Gusto niyo ba makakarinig ng sample? Ayan. Bago yan, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge na si Pocholo po yung boses sa mga kilalang anime tulad ni Kuro-chan. Kilala si Kuro-chan. Meet Your Garden. Ayan. Siya po yung tatay ni Sanchay dun. Siya yung F5. At marami pang iba, mga commercials. At kami ni Donna, kami yung new generation ng voice artist. Sino dito nakakaalam sa Kaiju number 8? Yan, ako po ang Vice Captain na si Oshina ng Defense Force 3rd Division. Yan, so supportahan po natin yung Filipino dub. So lumalabas po yan sa Anyone Philippines. Kapag meron po kayong na makitang Filipino na talent, dapat pinapalakpakan po yan. Kasi maraming Filipino magaling, tama po ba? At ako rin ang boses ni Rudo ng Gatchakuta. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nandito pero nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. At saka meron tayong My Hero Academia, Vigilantes. Ako ang tagapagligtas sa inyo sa mga masasamang tao, The Crawler! At marami kaming upcoming na animes sa Solo Leveling and My Hero Academia. Ayan.
Ako, si Koto Ryuji, ang pinakamagaling na hunter sa buong mundo.
Ayan. At yung sa cartoons naman, yung Amazing Digital Circus, nasa 200 million views yan sa Netflix at sa YouTube. Ako si Glowing Queen. Ganito yung boses niya.
Ako ang Gloink! Kayo ang Gloink! Tayong lahat ay mga Gloinksa!
Yeah. So yung voice acting is the art of becoming. Hindi lang po yan pagboboses. No? So you become the character. So anyone, kung sino dito may boses, lahat po kayo pwede maging isang voice artist. Because someone out there needs to hear your voice. And lagi namin sinasabi sa CVAP, no, our voice is a gift from God, and it's how we use it is our gift back to God. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Great day and mabuhay. One last thing.
We would like to invite kung sino po ang gustong maging dubbers dyan. Meron po kami on February 28, Saturday po yan para sa mga students. One-day workshop po ito for dubbing. It is called Stop Voice Acting Workshop. Please visit our Facebook page, Speak, Translate, Observe, and Perform Dubbing Workshop. Ayan, February 28 po yan.
Thank you.
Thank you very much to the team from Creative Voices and my voice master, Pocholo Gonzalez. So the voice of many different characters. Ako naman yung boses ng mga jeep sa Bagong Baryo. Kuya, para po. And so those are our Zeal awardees. Congratulations to all of that. Do we have a video message from Pocholo Gonzalez? No, we do not. Or do we? Yes, we do.
Hello, great day, mabuhay. Maraming salamat po for this great honor. I'm truly humbled and deeply grateful to be chosen as a Gawad La Sallaneta 2026 Zeal Awardee for Excellence in Promoting Filipino Talent and Voice Artistry. This recognition is not just for me, but for the entire Creative Voices family, CVAP, our mentors, students, voice artists, partners, and all Filipinos who believe in the power of voice, creativity, and purpose-driven artistry. For almost 3 decades, my mission has always been simple yet bold: to uplift Filipino voices, to professionalize voice artistry, and now to responsibly embrace AI as a tool to empower, not replace, human creativity. Maraming salamat po to De La Salle Araneta University and the Gawad La Sallaneta community for this meaningful recognition. And also, I would like to say congratulations to my partners, Donna V. Aboyuan, Ralph Ernest, Francia, and Mac Florendo, and they will receive this award today. Para sa Filipino voice, para sa Filipino talent, para sa susunod na henerasyon. Always remember, our voice is a gift from God, and it's how we use it that's our gift back to God. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much. And yeah, so guys, I encourage all of you that are interested in voice acting to check out that that voice acting workshop once again, February 28th. Check them out on Facebook if you're interested. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready!
So you can do stuff like that if you do the workshop.